Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. On the Ethereum chart, we're dealing with a small rally from the support area. The price has already moved above the 50% retracement level now. We are now in a small micro resistance area without any signal that a top has formed. So the last pullback was corrective. I think we talked about that yesterday already, that we had only 3 waves down. It pretty much formed a mini double bottom there. It still is a 3-wave move down, so there is no sign that a top has been made, a more substantial top. So we're still moving higher here a little bit, step by step. I think I mentioned yesterday the key level here against which we could still focus on higher is this wave 2 low. That's pretty much the micro invalidation point for this rally. If you want to call it a rally, it's not really a rally, it's a small reaction. 2354, that's the key level against which the focus could be on higher. I've showed you here what a 5-wave move up would look like, and we need that 5-wave move initially to indicate that a more substantial low has been made. Reminder that the move down was technically complete, so we had an A wave, a B wave, and 5 waves down in wave C. So whether this is now the yellow count in which we're forming the E wave in a triangle and then form another low, just a quick reminder here, yellow count A, B, C, D, E, down, or whether it's the white scenario where a more substantial low has formed, we have to take it level by level. And the idea was that ideally here in the support area we see a reaction, right? Reaction happened. Now we just need to see, okay, can the market generate a 5-wave move up? If we can form a 5-wave move up, the next pullback could be a viable, reasonable setup. Okay, but the problem is it's not impulsive to the upside. So we might be dealing with a diagonal, but even then, I only have 3 waves up at the moment. So first of all, I would need wave C of 3 completed. That would be a viable 3rd wave in a 5-wave pattern. Needs to get to 2474 plus. Then I want to see a 4th wave and a 5th wave. So if we can get these 5 waves completed, let me just adjust that slightly here, okay. If we can get these 5 waves completed, that would mean 5 waves to minimally, I'd say, 2493 plus. Then we can call that, a first diagonal pattern. Then the pullback could be reasonable, let's say pullback trade. But let's first see if the market can generate the 5-wave move up. It's Sunday, we don't normally expect too much movement until late in the day. Okay, so late in the day, getting closer to the weekly candle. Typically Bitcoin also gives us a bit of action. Now, I made a Bitcoin video today. If you haven't watched it, maybe you want to, because it gives you some, it gives you some ideas about the overall bigger picture structure. And also Bitcoin pulled back in 3 waves, and we haven't got any confirmation that a local top is in place. So that would kind of support the idea that also Ethereum might stretch a little bit higher. And then after the next high, might happen today. If we get to 2473, then I will add support for wave 4. I will do that, communicate that later today on Discord, maybe tomorrow on YouTube as well when I make the next video. But then I can add support for wave 4. It looks like it wants to push a bit higher. So if it does that, pay attention to this area here. There could be some resistance around 2473, maybe even a little lower. But if we can get to the 138% extension, I will add support for wave 4 in white, and then we can watch for one more high in wave 5, and again, then we can call that wave 1, and I will add support for wave 2, and we can watch for a 3rd wave. Or it might just be an A wave in 5 waves, B wave pullback, and C wave rally. Doesn't make a difference in short term, okay? So that's what I'm tracking at the moment. It would require a break below the wave 2 low there at 2350, what's that, 55, 54, to indicate that a top has already been made and we go down more directly. But at the moment there is no evidence for that. So that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.